I personally didn't feel that they are three ranking below us. They were like giving quite tough competition to our girls.
So I think that sort of does prove to us that we can't go by the face value of just rankings. It doesn't necessarily exactly is. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome.
Hi.
Hi Shrishta. Hi. Can you see my video? Is it lagging or it's fine?
No, it's all right. It's all right.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, but your video seems a little pixelated.
Okay. It's the internet connection is very unstable.
Hi Arun. Hi guys. I think a lot of people. Okay.
So I guess we can start.
Yeah, cool. Quick introduction. So I'm Mithila. I'm a footballer, huge fan of Indian women's football. So I am here to review the match that we played today against Belarus, the international friendly, along with Shrestha. Uh, cool.
Hi.
We can
Hi
get
everyone.
started. So I think quick introduction from Shrestha as well.
Hi everyone. I'm Shresha. I'm a Blue Pilgrims member and a FIFA fan movement member as well. And yeah, we'll both discuss and analyze today's match.
Okay.
So
Perfect. I think so. So for everyone who's new, just a quick recap. So the Indian women's team has been playing two international friendlies. The second one was against Belarus. The first one was against Uzbekistan, their home turf. So that one was a brilliant match. We were almost playing out a draw, just lost out on a brilliant free kick. Today's match, although against Belarus. So I think before we get into how we played and all the technicalities of the game, for starters, I think it was a very different squad. Honestly, I did not expect that. A lot of
yeah,
general people,
exactly,
like all the
exactly.
regular starters of the team, they weren't really. They were most of them were on the bench today. That was something that was really
Yeah,
surprising.
the
I think there was a little bit.
first
Yeah, yeah.
half.
Go on, go on.
Yeah, after watching the first half, it didn't seem like that it'll end up like this. But yeah, the score is not at all, satisfying. It's disappointing ending actually.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I think people were like disappointed at the game, which is very true. But yeah, I think for starters, let's just go over how we played and everything. So we had in our starting lineup, so we had Aditi on goal, we had Sweeti Devi, Wankan Devi, Chanu, and Anju Tamang on the defense line. The three midfielders today, Indumati, the captain, Sangeeta as a defensive midfielder, and Dangme Grace actually played as a midfielder today. And the three strikers, while we started, were Pyari, Manisha, and Soumya. So, I mean, we started off as a 4-3-3. I think the most surprising thing about this tournament has been Anju Tamang as a defender, as a wing back, in fact. So she's generally used to playing up front. I think all of us are used to seeing her up front. This was a little refreshing of a change. Um, yeah, so I think
Yeah,
in terms of the
actually,
game,
exactly.
I think two more points. In terms of the game, I think we weren't maintaining possession.
That was quite
So,
surprising actually.
so Belarus, they kept hold of the ball. Their build-up was fantastic today, all the way from the goal. Even they were involving their goalkeeper a lot, which, in fact,
Yeah, it was
does
good.
point to their
But
control of the game.
also,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Go on, go on.
actually, the problem with the Indian players were they were actually aimlessly running behind the ball.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's what I was getting at as well. I think positionally we were a little. It was questionable, uh, because a lot of times they did
Yeah.
look a little disoriented,
They were
looked like they were
they
running about. Shrishta, I think your video is pausing. Guys, whoever's joined us, could you give us a thumbs up if both our videos are okay, or if it's just mine, or
Can you hear me?
Shrishta, can you hear me? Yeah, your video is pausing a lot.
Yeah, actually, you got freezed. Your video got freezed. Actually,
Yeah,
is it all right now?
it's fine. I mean, I can see myself, but your video seems to be buffering.
Okay.
I think it might be your internet connection. You could try data changing the net.
Yeah, I'm just trying.
All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for waiting. Sorry for the hold up. Just a small net issue. We'll get back to discussing the game today. In the meanwhile, just go through the comments, guys. Any, feedback about the game, any opinions, feel free to share it on the comment box. We'll discuss it today. Anyone who's watched the game will definitely have a lot of thoughts about it. Okay, I think I'll have to add Shrestha again. Hi Desmond. Hi Jenny. Okay. Yeah, Desmond, we'll get to that. How much of a miss was Sanju? Yeah, for sure. I think a lot of main things about the players missing to be discussed as well. Yeah, cool. Shrestha, can you see us?
Is it fine?
Shrestha, your video is lagging again.
Is it all right?
Your audio seems to be coming
Your
through, but your
video
video
is
is
lagging actually.
yeah. Yeah, I think it's fine now. I think we can go on. Is it fine from my end?
Oh, I changed to mobile data, but
No, I think it's fine now. I can see you fine now.
Yeah, it's all right.
Okay, perfect. So,
Let's continue.
So from where we left off, I think with Belarus keeping possession of the ball.
I guess I last talked at that possession. But the problem with the Indian players was they were like, aimlessly running behind the ball without any proper sense. You know, there was much confusion. There seemed much confusion between the players.
Yeah, for sure. I think, like I said, positionally it was a little bit of a confusion. I'll just quickly go through a little bit of the comments. So Desmond's asked how much of a miss was Sanju, which I think she was a huge miss. I think not just Sanju, in fact, quite a few players were missed on the team. Of course, we are still lacking that final finisher, that striker, that Bala Devi sort of, brought to the team. So for sure, she was a miss. Uh, I think Pranav OP is asking why Dalima isn't playing in these matches. I'm not sure. Actually, Dalima, I think she was studying in Canada, so
She's
she was.
actually playing there in Canada.
Yeah,
There.
she's
playing there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think also today another one of my observations were that the substitutions were a little confusing to me. I think so.
Quite surprising sort of substitution was done. Especially
exactly.
that Ashalata Devi and Soumya's substitution, that was quite surprising, I felt.
Exactly. So I think Ashalata, I mean, we're very, very used to seeing her as a defender. She's always been
Yeah.
a fantastic centre back for India. So bringing her on, so Soumya, I think somewhere around the midway through the first half, she was having a little, I think around the 35th minute, if I'm not wrong. She had a small strain on her quad, so I think it looked like she was visibly limping.
Almost,
So she had to be brought off.
34th or 35th minute, yeah, right.
Yeah, so she
34th, I
had to be
guess.
brought off, right? And I think the confusing part there was to bring on Ashalata out of all the players. I think there is still a little bit of experimentation going on in the midfield. From a coaching point of view, I think in our team, there's still a little iffy about who exactly their midfield force is. So I think that experimentation is still happening, considering that they even brought on Ashalata Devi. But what was confusing even more for me was that she was taken off in the second half, like around the 61st minute, and Sandhya was brought
Yeah,
in her place. So I wasn't exactly sure. Maybe, I mean, maybe the coaches wanted to try out something. Maybe it didn't work, but didn't seem like the most efficient way to use the substitution. Uh, yeah, I think other than that, so yeah, Shrishta, can you hear me? I think it's lagging again a little bit.
yeah, it's
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
yeah,
So I
it's
think another
lagging actually, but it's all right.
yeah another thing was so Belarus in itself, right? If you see the rankings, they are ranked 56, 3 places below us, and I think compared to us, they have
Below
had a
us.
lot more exposure
But
and a lot more competition.
there didn't seem any competition, and the talking about in terms of ranking, I personally didn't feel that they are three ranking below us, 3 points below us. I didn't feel any difference about that. That they're below us. They were like giving quite tough competition to our girls.
Yeah, for sure. Exactly. So I think rankings, we can't. So I think that sort of does prove to us that we can't go by the face value of just rankings. It doesn't necessarily prove how good a team exactly is. There are a lot of factors that do play outside of it as well. So granted, at any time that we did not play with our best squad, I think that definitely has to be taken into consideration, but I think that um, as they play more matches and as they keep experimenting
Someone,
with their formations, it's going to improve. Yeah, I think we got an input from Krisha Rajput. Okay, Indian footballers aren't doing any error. Just the fact that we are
any,
expecting more from them, but the magic stick won't work in real world. They're improving and they will improve as time passes. Absolutely, I think that's very true.
yeah, definitely, they will, definitely, they are actually.
Yeah, that they are. But I think when
The
it comes
thing
to a
is,
game,
there's
yeah, go on.
great potential in the girls, not only girls, also in the men's team. We have great potential. We just need more quality game. We need more, more proper, more proper strategy and quality game. Actually, I guess I feel like.
Yeah, for sure. I think so. I think what he's saying is correct, right? Like you can't expect a magic stick and it's just going to change over
Right.
time. But I think when it comes to
You
each
can't expect
individual
some.
match,
You are experimenting something and just happened like this. You can't expect like
yeah,
that.
yeah, for sure.
We
But I think when it comes
definitely need
to
to give more.
Yeah, but I think when it comes to each individual match, right, it's necessary to criticize. It's necessary to critique
Yeah,
either the
it is.
players or
That's
whether it comes to coaches or anything. I think as players, that's what everyone's taught, that you have to face that criticism because you are playing in front of an audience, you are being looked at, and there are high expectations running around, right? So as much as the performance is, I mean, of course, you can say that you can finish off every review saying that yeah, our defense was good, we did this, but no one really goes into the specifics of the game. No one really goes to see what
yeah,
went wrong, where
exactly.
it went wrong,
Yeah,
right?
exactly,
And
exactly.
I think we as Indian football are way past just talking about the defense line and how we held it and just accepting losses as we go, right? I think our standards have to keep improving. as in when football improves.
Being very honest, there's lot more than that. Like, I don't want to go into the depth. There's lot more than that. Like, we had a discussion, like, for the previous match, post-match analysis, for India versus Uzbekistan. We were discussing about it that we can't act like it's not actually the players' fault. There's a lot more than that. So yeah, I just don't want to like again go into depth about it. There's a lot more than this defense line, this problem and all. There's a lot more than that. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, no
Another
one's
problem.
exactly blaming the players. I mean, no one's going to
Yeah.
go and say it's because of you that this happened or stuff like that. But at any point, if you are a professional footballer, right, you are held accountable for every single one of your actions. And I think the same goes to Indian football as a whole, right? So, yeah, I mean, I think getting back into the game, I think we're deflecting a little bit. So, another question. So, Desmond has asked one question: Ranjana Chanu or Jabomani to do. So, okay, Ali, Desmond, you're putting me on the spot here. So, honestly, I like them both. I think as a defender, I would choose Jabomani a little more. I think she's a little more versatile as a defender. I think, which is why I was also surprised to not see her on the lineup today.
Yeah, exactly. Someone wrote, we need more games at the grassroots level and under 21 levels to get more match practice and training. Yes, we definitely need to improve our grassroots levels. Yeah, we need more junior level matches actually. We need to improve that infrastructure.
Yeah. Okay, so getting back to the game.
Yeah, another thing I noticed that India seemed pretty much confused in the field, like ball passing and defense line, especially in the second half. In the 50th minute, there was a they seemed pretty confused, like.
Yeah. For sure.
When the linesman raised the flag for the offside, that time they look pretty confused.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think getting back to the game, I think Shrestha, are you buffering again?
Internet connection is very unstable. I'm really sorry.
I think.
Am I audible now?
It's better now. It's better now. Okay, so I think getting back to the game, I think that the main pointers that I actually noticed were there was a really early on into the game, right? There was in around the 20th minute, they actually had Belarus actually had a really good chance at goal, and that was saved from the edge of the box. I think she even beat Aditi Chauhan and took a shot. 20th minute, if I'm not wrong. So that was good defensively. That was good for us. I think another main point was we were not winning the first and second balls. Aerially, we were a little less than them today. Most of the goal kicks and the free kicks, even the ones that we had a chance to take, were all theirs. First and second balls, we were weak. So the Belarus midfield worked really well. Their build-up play was really good. Every single ball, they actually built it up. They kept switching sides and trying to destabilize the whole team, which I think worked in their favor. That said, I think that Belarus still didn't play such an amazing game that we could not have held them or anything like that. I think it was still they were messing up a lot as well. I think especially in the attacking third, even though they were building up well, they were shooting balls in the air. Even though they kept building up the attack, they were still messing up. So I think at the end of the day, the performance as a whole, it's still definitely something that we need to relook and go through for sure.
Yeah, we need to look into that more. We need to look into small spaces more. We need to improve the ball passing thing more.
Yeah, for sure. Also, I do have to say that I think Sangeeta's goal at the end, that was something that definitely needs to be talked about that was a fantastic goal. I think even though we were losing, we were visibly not in possession of either the game, the ball. We weren't in control of the game. I felt like we were mirroring their performance and working according to how they wanted us to move, which wasn't the best. But I think considering the number of competitive matches that the girls have played, I think this is still a good platform for them. Yeah, but I think another main thing that I did not like in today's performance was we kept losing the ball very, very often. Even though our interceptions at a lot of places were really good, we still didn't keep the ball after we intercepted it. So every time there would be a good interception, we'd keep the ball, try a counter, and end up losing the ball again, which would lead to another build
Exactly.
up from Belarus. So I think that kept happening
Exactly.
over and over again.
I
Yeah.
completely agree with you that point. We kept on losing the ball very often. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Um, okay, that's true. Guys, just I think Ujwal's asking us what we're discussing about. We're discussing about today's friendly India versus Belarus for anyone who's new. Also, I do want to point out that in the dying minutes of the game before Sangeeta's goal, there was another attempt that Belarus had on our post. It actually beat the entire defense, beat even Aditi Chauhan, and it hit the post. That was a counter which led to Sangeeta's goal in the first place. But yeah, that was still another chance. So I think that could have made it 3-0 for them. Lucky for us, we were, saved by the bar. Um, yeah, I think apart from that, I think same things overall. Our trip to Uzbekistan, a lot of learning points, a lot of things to take away from this. I think even in terms of our squad, there have been a lot of substitutions, a lot of experimentation, but I think we only learn and grow from here.
Definitely, yes. I totally agree with you that. Another thing is Aditi Chauhan's performance, like previous match, it was amazing. And like talking about the defense, I felt not that good. Like the previous match, it was better in the previous match. I felt like I didn't like I'm not satisfied with the defense in today's match. Actually, there
Okay,
were
okay.
very silly sort of mistakes and very silly sort of mistakes. And yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so Zanel is asking if our FIFA rank is affected. So honestly, Zanel, I'm not sure. I think friendlies do affect your FIFA ranking. I think I'll have to check on that. Shrishta, what do you think?
I think it does its friendlies, I guess. It does. Let
No,
me
I think
check.
it's definitely based on a point system where FIFA gives you points based on the number of competitive matches you played, friendlies you played, so and the number of wins, losses, and draws. So I think whether this match as such would affect our FIFA ranking, I doubt it. But yeah, we'll have to check on that. Yeah, cool. Guys, just drop in your thoughts for today's game in the comment box. We will take it up. We can discuss it.
What do you think about the tackle? The tackle made by our girls, and then Belarus got was awarded with a penalty. What do you think? Awarded with a penalty. What do you think about that?
So actually, the first time I saw it red, it didn't really look like a penalty to me. I think that because it looked like she got the ball, but I did go and I visited the penalty again. I saw it on slow motion as well. So, and I think from when you tackle it from, I think even a lot of friends I discussed with, I think a tackle from the back in the penalty box where you take a player plus the ball would generally be favored for the attacker. So I think the even though some people feel some referees would not have given it. I think it was the right decision. I think the penalty was fair.
Yeah, the penalty was right, but I felt that the tackle was unnecessary, quite unnecessary.
I mean, so I feel like as a defender at that point, you just go into a little bit of a panic mode and just want to control the situation.
Yeah,
So I think because they were beaten and it was just the attacker and the keeper in between the goal, the defender did have to go into a emergency mode, just had to contain the situation. So the tackle was, I mean, any defender would have done that at that point. So, okay, more comments coming in. From my understanding, for
someone
friendlies, if it's more than 3 subs, then it shouldn't affect. Zanil says it's better than the previous game.
should make short passes and take the ball to their. Someone
Yeah,
wrote we should make short passes and take the ball to their half.
yeah, like build-ups, right? Which is technically what Belarus was doing.
We were what we were talking about that girls seem pretty much confused with the ball passing thing.
Yeah, I think that was defensively, but I think in terms of
Am
what
I audible? You got
he's saying,
free.
it's about the attack. So yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah, but I think in terms of what he's saying, it's about the attack. So while we're attacking, we as soon as we won the ball, we cleared it as a long ball or tried to chip the ball in, hoping that a striker would find it and take the ball to the goal. Right. So yeah, that's very true. We did rely a lot on long balls today. We didn't exactly build up as much, but there was this fantastic attack. So as soon as the second goal was scored, right, and when we started the ball, Indumati, the captain, she played a quick 1-2 in the center and played out a through ball to Manisha, which was fantastic. That ball curved in at the correct time, but of course the defense was a little faster, so they did get the ball. Yeah, Desmond, let's talk about our first touch and the inability to keep possession. Yeah, I mean, possession we've been talking about for quite some time now. But yeah, first touch does matter as well. I think a lot of times, even our body orientation, it wasn't really into space. And that was a little evident because we lost the ball a bunch of times that way. And that immediately led to the counter because I think when that mistake happened on the wings, it was relatively easier for us to defend. But the minute it happened on the midfield, it was an immediate counter for us, right down the center, right? So I think that was a problem as well.
Also, we need to improve the wings. Like the wings were quite, inactive. I felt, and also need to. I felt like we also need to improve the midfield quite a lot.
Okay. Also, I think today, right, Manisha's performance as a whole, I mean, she was one of the best players in last year's IWL, and today's her crosses were a little bit of a, I mean, it was a question mark for sure because she was penetrating. There was some really good skills from her end in the first half, but I think her advantage with the left and her crosses didn't exactly come through. So there wasn't any danger move created in the center of the box.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Also, I think I forgot to mention, I think early on, in the very beginning of the game, Soumya got a fantastic shot on goal, hit the crossbar.
Yeah, around the 13th minute. Yeah, around the 13th minute. Right?
Yeah, very early on into the game. So I think that's something to be noted. I think even a little earlier than the 13th minute also. But yeah, that was really good. In the beginning, even Pyari had some really good runs. Desmond Renu came in for Grace. That's very true. So Desmond, I think Renu is ideally a striker, right? And today, I mean, I think the entire team was taken on a little bit of a defensive front. There wasn't much of, she got in very few minutes towards the end, but I think she still came in, held a little bit of possession. But overall, I think by then a little bit of damage had been done. Could have done, I mean, the most we could have hoped for is probably like a super sub moment where Renu came in and, blasted in 2 goals. But I mean, we have to keep our heads on the ground and, keep working. But yeah, I think she's a fantastic player too. She had some really good moments in the IWL last year. But yeah, I think today overall pretty shaky. But I think it's a fantastic learning experience, right, for anyone who gets to play in international friendlies.
During the 58th to 60th minute, I felt that uh, our girls were much better than the first half. They played much better in the second half. The defense was definitely torn, but they were holding the ball a lot more and attempting to penetrate the Belarus defense.
Yeah. Um, Shrestha, I couldn't get the last bit. I think you're getting stuck again.
Sorry.
Your video is getting stuck again.
Wait. Is it all right now?
Yeah, it's better now. Yeah.
I said that in the second half, they were a lot more better than the first half. I felt like, and a lot also tried to win second half, 50, 65 minutes, especially that particular time. I felt like.
Okay. Yeah, Shrestha, I think you're lagging again. Your video is pausing again. I think it's buffering a little bit.
Is it
Shrestha,
alright?
can you hear me?
Yeah. Is it alright now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I think it's still it lags a little bit.
I'm really sorry with my internet connection. It's really very
Yeah,
poor
it's
over
okay
here.
now. I think I can hear you a little bit now. Okay, let's just go back into the questions. Okay, Desmond's also
Someone,
asking. Yeah, go for it.
do you feel Memor could have experimented a bit with the starting lineup instead of going with exactly the same starting 11?
Yeah, I mean, I think the whatever happened in the midfield today was already a bit of an experimentation, and if the idea was to anyway experiment, I think they could have gone a little bit all out with it. I mean, at this point, I'm not all for complete experimentation, because also you need to improve the confidence that players have on the pitch. And in terms of exposure, I think it comes down to the same thing that Igor Stimac was criticized for, right? Bringing in 10 new probables into the lineup. I mean, personally, I would give chance to newer players, but I think it's also about balancing whether you want to improve their confidence, or you just want to give people playing time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Another question from Desmond. Kritina, Martina, and Sumati were part of the traveling squad. Do you think they should have gotten some game time? I think it's the same question as falls along the same lines as Abrish Mina. They could have gotten a little bit of playing time, but I think with the way that the game was going today, um, any manager would only think to contain the situation, and not be too experimental at that point, which is I think why she brought on Sandhya as well. They wanted to add in more attack to end up scoring a goal. But I think everyone lives and learns. Personally, I mean, I think Desmond, I don't think that they would have gotten any game time irrespective, because they are still in the outer limits of the squad. They're still not, there yet. So I think as a manager, they would take some time to bring new people in. Yeah.
I guess
Yeah, I think,
then
guys, any last comments, any feedback you want to give
if
us?
there aren't any more questions, then I guess we can conclude our
Yeah,
discussion.
yeah,
If
yeah.
it's all right with you.
Yeah, absolutely. I think thanks, guys. Thanks for having us. Hope to
I
see,
guess we should once discuss about the overall performance. Like, what do you feel about the overall performance? You're happy or satisfied or disappointed?
I mean, I would say I'm a little disappointed with a hint of hope that we keep playing more matches and we keep learning from each of them, because at the end of the day, I think nothing improves a
Exactly.
player more than match experience, and the more you play, the better you get, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much for having us. We had
Thank
fun
you, guys.
analyzing this. Hope to do
Uh,
more in the future.
it was
All right.
great to talk to you, Mithila, and thank you everyone for joining. It was
Yeah.
quite
Thanks, guys.
encouraging for us.
All right. Bye.